Hello and welcome to the course. In this course, you are going to learn that how you can create and sell digital art and graphics using AI to make passive income. Yes, you are listening right, and this is not a dream. This is true. You can create arts and graphics using AI, artificial intelligence, to make passive income by selling those digital arts and physical arts, and also providing freelance services. Basically, we are not going to use any technology or programming kind of thing to build art or to do that. We just need a simple prompts and simple images to convert these prompts and images into arts, and you just need imagination, and you just have to imagine something and type that imagination, and that imagination would be converted into art, and then you can just sell that imagination in the form of art. You can sell digital art. You might have heard about NFTs and arts, so we'll be learning about that. So let's just talk about the most important thing, and that is what's covered inside this course. First of all, I'll tell you that how you can create art from imagination. After telling you how you can set up the tools that are required, then I'll tell you that how you can turn your imagination into art using those AI tools. Like, let's suppose you imagine about a condition, or you imagine about something an if the bears are in Egypt, bears are shopping in Egypt. So you can type in portrait of bears shopping in Egypt, and you will get an art. And this is how it works, and then you can sell that art. This is basically your imagination, and also you can sell that art. And then I'll tell you that how you can turn images into arts. The condition is that image should be yours, or it should be from stock photos. It should not be a property of any other one, to avoid those copyright issues, and to make it legal. So you can take any image, like you can take a profile picture and make it 3D using AI. You can just turn it into art using AI. You can apply different patterns, and you don't need to learn all the concepts of artist, but without that you can apply the patterns, copy the patterns and paste the patterns, and you can turn any image into a beautiful art, and you can also generate the deep dreams. Then I'll tell you that how you can provide freelance design services as well. Like, after you have learned that how you can turn imagination into art, images into art, then you can provide freelance services for that. I'll also tell you about use cases and some of the success stories available on Fiverr, to like motivate you that people are doing that, and you can also do that easily. Then I'll tell you to how you can make passive income from it by selling your uh, AI built art in the form of digital art, and also in the form of physical art, as print on demand products and t-shirts. By selling t-shirts, no hassle of you is involved in it. I'll tell you about the complete automated process, about the success stories and use cases, that how people are selling their arts in the form of NFTs, in the form of digital prints, in the form of physical prints. And then at the end, I'll also tell you that how you can become a Web3 entrepreneur and artist using those AI tools that are covered in this course. Like, how you have heard about NFTs right now, so you can also sell these arts in the form of NFTs. You can just be the owner of those arts, and then you can sell those NFT arts as well, and you can become an artist and an entrepreneur of the next age internet. And that is all about this course. Now, what we are waiting for, let's just get right into the course. But before that, also watch that income and expectations lecture, to get motivated, and to know how much you can make from this physical and digital arts business, how much you can make from these AI art business. And then if you will like that, then you can enroll into the course. Otherwise, you can skip this course. So let's just get right into it.